Good. Good. More. Yeah, so let me just take your arms for a second. I'm just going to bring it back just like this. We're going to stretch out just a little bit. Yeah, it was only heard about Gil's business.
He's doing good, Gil. I thought he said hi, actually.
Is he? Yeah.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Cool. Take this arm, go like this for a second. All right, I'm just gonna pull this back in just a second. Pull back, harder. Relax. Let's try the other side. Hold on. Pull back and relax. Relax your arms.
He's going to I think tomorrow. I think no, today.
Who?
He's going to Domingo.
San Domingo.
Yeah, because
for vacation.
His sister's married.
That's good. There we go. And relax inside here. Good. That's good. A little more. Good. Just relax your arms. I didn't know he was going to San Domingo.
Yeah.
You know, I've been looking at real estate in San Domingo. Man, it's going up like crazy.
Yes.
A lot of money, man. You know?
Yeah, that's what I know. You were saying, like, yo, I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
And then he's coming back on here.
Gil's coming here?
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's coming soon.
Yeah, relax here. Good.
Because their kids are at school will be over.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna be here for a while here. Not a while, but like a week.
Cool.
You know, with the family.
So you want you to breathe in really deep. All the way out. So turn to the left. Let it go. Good. Good. Nice. Ooh, that's tight. That's tight. Breathe in again. All the way out. Just let it go. Hold this on. Good. And that's it. Good. That?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was deep. That was deep. Slide back a little bit if you don't mind. A little bit more. Just slide back. Right. That's perfect right there. Stay there. Cool. Let's cross your arms. Just like this. Head's going to come down. You're going to go right in here. All right. You just want you to breathe in really deep. All the way out. Keep your head in. Good. Relax. Good. Good. Excellent. Good. Relax your arms. Let's lay boca abajo, face down. Nice and easy. Good. Cool. And just relax. Nice and easy. Just gonna come here. Good. Yep. That right hip is off. Just a little rotated right inside there. Here, just lift this leg a little bit up and right back down. Right back down. Cool. Just gonna do a little tap inside there. Good. That okay?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Just relax a little bit. Raise one more time. Much better. Much better. Good. That's this side. Lift up here and right back down. Just do a little tap inside here. Okay. Good. And just relax a little bit. Excellent. That's it. And I'm just going to work through there. Just a little bit here. Relax nice and easy. You just breathe in really deep. Just kind of let it go. A little more. Good. That's it. Good. Just relax nice and easy. Just going to stretch. No, just relax. I just want to stretch. A little more. Just relax. Good. Come back here. Same thing. Just relax nice and easy. Just going to go real. No. Let me go real slow. A little more. Good. Come back here. Breathe in again real deep. All the way out. Let it go. A little more. Good. And again. Nice. Oh, I think it's getting warm in here. I can turn my fan on. Very nice. Good. Here, I'm just going to stretch this hip a little bit. Just relax a bit. Just going to bring it up. Good. Come right back down. We'll do the other side. Just relax, nice and easy. Very good. Come right back down. And nice and easy. Just relax. Good. Can you come lay down right on your back, face up? I'm doing okay?
Yeah.
Good, good. And just relax the legs, nice and easy. Just going to do a circle, nice and easy. See how that hip is. Good. Okay, just let it drop here. A little bit more. Good. Good. These are battle scars. Yeah, relax, nice and easy.
I wear shin guards also.
You know? Oh my goodness. One of those crazy soccer players doesn't wear shin guards? You gotta be kidding
quick,
me.
yeah. As it says.
I don't know, man. I think if you don't wear shin guards,
In South America, you don't wear shin.
you don't wear shin guards?
Well, in professional,
No?
yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but after in practice,
No?
I need to. Only if the
No?
coach gets really mad, I'm like, wear shin guards.
Good. Just relax inside here. Really gonna try to get that ankle. There we go. And relax. I thought everybody wore shin guards. Good. Hudson County Park, I don't see them wearing shin guards.
They
don't wear shin
They don't
guards.
shin guard.
So everybody's all bloody.
They stare at you.
That's right. Good. Good. Let it drop down like that. Yeah. Relax the knee. Let it go. Good. Just gonna go straight like that. Ooh, this side's tight, man. Ooh, it's tight.
That's the thing, yeah, no stress.
Ooh, yeah, this one's much tighter than the other. Good. Ooh. Good. Just relax, nice and easy. Just relax. Just gonna open that hip a little bit. Good. Same thing here. Just want to open the hip. Good. Feel that open up a little bit?
Yeah.
Come here a little bit. Back here. And relax. Yeah, just want to get that hip joint just to open up a bit. That was good. Yeah, I know. Those guys that play don't wear shin guards at all. Man, it's crazy.
No.
You see them, they're all bloody on their legs, all busted up.
You got scratches all around.
Yeah.
That's,
Fractured bones,
yep.
you know? People don't realize football or soccer is a contact sport.
Yep.
Go lift up a little bit. And relax, nice and easy. Nice and easy, good. Just chill. Good. Just gonna go nice and easy. No, you're fine, you're fine. Just kind of take it easy right there. Just want to line you up perfectly. Good. Just like that. Just relax, nice and easy. Good. Yeah. Just want to breathe in really deep. Again, in. Yeah. Just kind of let that go a little bit more. Good. Good. Yep. Hold on. Easy. Breathe. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. I know you felt that. Come here. Come here. How'd that feel?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Good. Slide up a little bit. Right there? Cool. Perfect, perfect. Good. I'm going to catch you off guard there a little bit. Alright? Bring your hands right over here. Nice and easy. Just relax. Nice and easy. Good. Just let it go. Right inside there. Okay. Well, let's just relax easy. You adjust right inside. Just breathe easy, dear. Good. And stretch all the way to the end. Let that muscle relax a little bit more. Good. Let it go a little bit more. Oh. Take a minute. Take a minute. That was a big one.
Wow.
That was a big one.
And there was a little one before that.
Yeah, it was.
I thought that was the one.
No, it wasn't, man.
That was the one.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. There was more in there. There's more in there. Good. Let me go one more time. Right there. That's where you really locked up. Nice and easy. Just breathe nice and slow and easy, okay? Just stretch. This side's a little tighter. And just kind of let that go a little bit more. Good. And let it drop. Yeah. Let that go. And back here. Yeah, I knew that was going to be tight. Yeah. So along the other side, nice and easy. Just gonna stretch. So come right back in the middle. Breathe in again. All the way out there. Let it go. Good. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.